Good morning, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you can join me today. Super excited for today. Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, pandas. Glad you can join us today. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Simon. Good morning, Brandon. Fellow panda from Florida. Good morning, X-Blue. Good morning, Henster from California. Welcome. Good morning, Jason, our faithful moderator here. From Texas, Lone Star State. Good morning, Simon B. Good morning, Alex Odu. Good morning, hey everyone. Let me know what kind of day you think it is. Fill out that poll for us. Currently, it's right now 58% trading range, 34% bull trend. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, Will. Good morning, Sir Lancelot from Florida. Welcome back, pandas. Welcome back, FZen. Good morning, Steve T from SoCal. Bill Jesso. Good morning from Ontario, a Canadian. Good morning, Ribosaurus from Utah. Good morning, everybody. Russian and Rolls, welcome back, Alex. Glad Kick. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning, Steve Y from Seoul. Yoshiaki, good morning. Good morning, Scott. Sean from South Africa, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Madison T, good morning, Vamshi. Good morning, D-Lou. Good morning, J Voss. Good morning, just joined this channel. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Let's take a look at the charts, shall we? Trading range day to day. Seems like most of you guys think. Hey, make sure you hit that like button if you want to support the stream. Helps out a lot. If you're new to the channel, I'm Baba Money. And on this stream, we like to trade one single setup, the two-legged pullback. Setup that looks like this, A, B, C. And we like to enter into second entry. Whoa, not like that. A, B, C, and we like to enter into the second entry right here. Two legs down, then reversal, or we call it this. Could look like this as well. We like to enter into the setup. After two pushes down, we like to go on the reversal. Two pushes up, we like to go on the reversal. The reason why is because the market loves to move in twos. And since it loves to move in twos, we like to take advantage of that and trade once the market makes two moves. Sorry about that. Good morning. I like to find this in key areas such as moving averages, support resistance areas, channels. And with the right context, it's greater than 90% probability to make a point. For instance, this trading range, we have a two-legged move here, and it was enough to make a point. Top of the trading range, off of 20 MA, two-legged move. And so, if you like more information about the setup, check out the description below, the playlist. There's more details, there's videos and playlists that goes into more details about the setup. Also, we trade pure price action here. And so, on the charts, we have just the 20 MA, this solid line here, 240 SMA, dash line, and also a indicator that counts all legs and identifies second entries. You can see here with the dark red or dark green numbers, we have second entry. So every time you see a dark green number on the bottom, it's a second entry long, and dark red numbers on the top are second entry shorts. And so we have here on the left side of the chart all the second entries identified, but also the indicator tells you the upcoming leg. So we have here now a second entry short because we have two legs up. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, and so the next reversal will be a second entry short. It might not be a good second entry short, but it is a second entry short nevertheless. That's why we have a red diamond here with a red number showing us a second reversal, or the next reversal will be a second entry. What I mean by reversal, what I mean is right now currently we're in an uptrend, and once a candle breaks the previous candle's low, even by one tick, that will initiate the reversal, and that's where we enter the trade. If you'd like more information about the indicator, you can check out the official website www.twoleggedpullback.com. Also, these horizontal lines here are created automatically using price action. That's a trading range indicator. That's also at www.twoleggedpullback.com as well. That's it for the introduction, pandas. Let's read some price action, shall we? Let's get some scalps. Let's find the best setups possible, pandas. Sorry, my throat's a little dry this morning. I do not know why. By the way, this is the E-mini, and currently trading around 3 contracts, and yeah, we use a 2K chart. This is a 2000 tick chart. We have about 3 charts we look at: 2K, 10K, 10K, and 5-minute. So we have to use all of these charts for our trading, but primarily use a 2K chart. Hester asks, what is the yellow box for? You can check out the description below for frequently asked questions. It's a perfect scalp. That's what the yellow boxes are. Perfect scalps here. What kind of day do I think it's going to be? Very interesting, actually. Let's end the poll. Market's about to open in 1 minute. Ending the poll. What kind of day do I think it is? It's hard to tell. I'm guessing trading range. Or it really depends. I think for me, the hard one is this candle. The next candle will probably be easier because we have a potential L4 setup here. So with the L4 setup, actually this is wrong. Sorry, not L4. We have a potential trap trade here, and this long wick and ticking below like 3 ticks, 4 ticks below the previous low, and reversing like this. If this gives us like a bullish candle, the next candle I think will be very bullish if we break above previous candle's high. But we'll have to see how this candle develops really. Market just opened. We have a 2-legged pullback here right off the bat, pandas. 2-legged pullback right off the bat. A little bit tricky here because we are in a trading range, but we are hitting the 20 EMA right here. Not the best signal bar. I would like a better signal bar than this. I'll maybe trade the reversal here because I think we're in the top of trading range. But we should see here, this is a 2-legged pullback off the 20 EMA. If it gets a good signal bar here, I might go long. Signal bar not any better. Actually going lower. In fact, it didn't even let us make the trap. It didn't even give us a second entry to create the trap here. It's just dropping on its own. Top of the trading range on the 10K chart, as you can see. So it looked very bullish. but hard to tell. Just waiting here. I'm waiting for a trap actually. I mean, we broke below the 20 MA. Top of the trading range. I'm looking for a trap now if we can get it. Trap trade is good in my opinion here. Taking the trap if we get one. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. Market's it's not letting us even get a trap because it's reversing right now. Hitting the top of the previous trading range, as you can see. Maybe this might act as support. 240 SMA as well. 2 points of confluence here. Let's not be lazy. Let's create our trend lines here. We are at this key area right now. This one's tricky. I don't know if I would go long here just because we went under 20 MA like this. I don't like that, but we are on this trend line at the moment. Tricky, tricky. I don't know if I want to go short here because of this trend line could act as support. Just not sure. Gonna take this trap if we get it here. We are bouncing on the top of this trading range. We'll take this trap here. In this trap, let's go, baby. In a runner now. Runner stopped out. Runner stopped out. Let's go, baby. You already know. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we'll start off with that. Thought we got a bigger runner than that, but unfortunately not. Look at the charts here, seeing what's happening. Just scalped out with that trap. Sorry, I'm just looking at the charts right now. I'll get to the chat soon. Currently have a downtrend going like this at the moment. Hmm. It's creating some consolidation right here. Kind of crazy. We're within 5 ticks right now. Just going back and forth. A little confusion. Not sure what's going to happen here. Wow, this is incredible. What is happening here? Currently in a downtrend with this trap here. Good trap, but unfortunately took out my runner. I think this could be a good runner here, but I mean, happens, it happens, you know, you get stopped out, you're stopped out. Not much you can do. Still on a downtrend. Pretty strong downtrend at the moment. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute, look at this. Look at the 5 minute. Wow. When you see that in the 5 minute, you're thinking downtrend. I mean, it made sense. Top of the trading range on the 10K chart. Just hit the top of it, coming back down, test the bottom of the trading range. That's what I'm thinking. We do have a spike in channel here. Spike, channel. Come back up to test the breakout point right here and reverses. Looks like the market's always in short right now. According to Albro, it's always in short. Okay, so I'm looking for an opportunity here. If we get one, maybe a two-legged pullback back to the 20 MA, or potential H4 setup here. All right, bounce right off the open or yesterday's close. H4 gone, potential H4 gone. Check the 5 minute bouncing right off of it here. Two pretty strong bear bars in a row. Could reverse right here. Just not really sure what's happening. $10K chart. Okay, so who are we looking for, pandas? What are we looking for now? We had our trap set up. Maybe double top right here. You can push down again. Potentially. We're getting some movement for sure. First break a trend. Like if you're thinking reverse here, first break a trend right here. Thinking lower low, then retest the highs. Or lower low, then going back up. Tricky. I mean, in my mind, in my opinion, this is like already broken. Like failed breakout here. Essentially, right? Overshoot on this side, overshoot on this side. That's what I was seeing right now. And Flix asks, this might be a stupid question, but who causes those small support and resistance in those small trending channels? Retail traders or big boys? In my opinion, it's always institutions. We, as retailers, cannot affect the market. We're just along for the ride, but we can't really affect the market actually. Breaking above the 20 EMA here. Uptrend, break of trend. We can test new highs here on this side, but overshoot. But market like symmetry, and this overshoot's a little too deep for this overshoot to match the overshoot. We failed to hit this pivot high. Maybe we'll hit it now. We failed to get to this previous pivot high you see here. It's lower by 2 ticks. Maybe we'll get it now on the second push up. Not interested in this long. Not interested in this long here. Makes a perfect scalp. Alright, absolute scalp made. Wasn't interested in that long because this is first break of trend, and typically first break of trend you'll have a retest at the bottom here, and so yeah, it's risky in my opinion, but that is a two-legged pullback, as you can see with the dark green number here. It's a higher low two-legged pullback. So we got first break of trend, we need a new low, but now I'm not sure. Could just be in this trading range all day today on the 10K chart. Who knows? It's a pretty solid trading range created by the trading range indicator. Coming to the top of the trading range now again. Broke above. Ought to come back up here to retest the highs. could not reach the bottom of the trading range. Strong bull bars. Very interesting. Breakup trend, new highs, possible reversal. You know, when you have a major trend reversal like this, like trap on the 20 EMA, typically you think you'll keep going down, but looks like otherwise, right? 3 bear bar or bull bars in a row here. Looking pretty strong, going up. Making a new high now. Depends on what kind of day you think it is. If you think it's gonna be a trading range day today, this is a good place for a reversal if we make a new high. If you think it's gonna be a bull trend day today, then don't go for any reversals. But I think we need evidence that we're gonna reverse up here. Like, I'm not gonna take it on the first. Actually, we didn't get to reach the high yet. We couldn't make a new high yet. So we broke the trend, trying to make a new high. But that's a lot of bull bars in a row, and it's a little scary to go short right against all of these bull bars, in my opinion. Dope Guy says, "Hello Panda, good to see you again. I asked how XRP doing today." XRP, I haven't followed XRP in a long time. I don't mind taking a look at XRP. Let's take a look at XRP. Ooh, AMC is just going nutsos. It's going berserk. Where's XRP at? XRP is creating a two-legged pullback off the 20 EMA on the daily, with a pretty good signal bar to go short. I would be wary of the XRP at the moment. Yeah, not going short there. Even it's a good signal bar, but look at how many bull bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4 bull bars, ending near their high. So thoughts and prayers to those who went short here. Oh, this is a lower high setup potentially, but it looks like we're gonna try to make a new high, in my opinion. Like, it looks like we're trying to break above here. And I'm not gonna go short until we get a trap down here, or if we make a new high first, but A Davis says, what does he mean 10K chart? What type of chart is that? It's a tick chart. So the tick chart basically charts price action and volume. Actually, technically it's by transactions, right? Every transaction is one tick. So the transaction can have 1 contract, can have 10 contracts. It doesn't matter. Transaction is 1 transaction, and every transaction is a tick. And so for 10K chart, it's 10,000 transactions. Potential double top here, but breakup trend. I mean, this doesn't look bullish, like a bull trend day to me, in my opinion. But I mean, I could be wrong. Look at that. It could be just a reversal right here. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. All of this bearishness just completely reversed. Could have a bull day today. Bull day today or trading range day. Not sure exactly. Still not sure. Very confusing. The confusion makes me think it's a trading range day today. We do have an L4 potential setup here. And the L4 creates a higher high here. A new high. I probably will take the opposite of the L4 right here. right now. L4 does trigger, technically on the outside bar. I'd like to see it actually trigger, technically. This bar needs to finish first. It needs to break the previous candle's high. L4 is ready, primed and ready. But it hasn't made a new high yet. I would like it to make a new high if it can. But man, this is a strong bull trend. It's scary to trade right against this bull trend here, in my opinion. Pretty scary. And it didn't make a new high yet. I would like the new high to be made first before entering this L4 setup. Let me make sure my count's right. L4 setup. It's a bona fide L4. Good signal bar. I'll be interested. 4-point stop loss. Just because I don't think we're in a bull trend day today. I think we're in a trading range day today. Decent signal bar. Very decent signal bar. I'd like the bar to finish. Technically it hasn't hit yet. I'd like the bar to finish in reverse here. It is an L4 setup. Decent L4 setup here. But hasn't triggered yet, technically. Reversal. Doesn't make a point yet. Almost makes a point. I want to come up right here. Alright, I missed trade. Doesn't make a point yet. Oh boy, boy. Hope I didn't make a mistake here. I would like it to have made a higher high. It hasn't made the higher high yet, but it's an L4 setup with a good signal bar. Well, technically a trigger bar, but the trigger bar was good. Just waiting here on the L4 setup. Coming back to the 20 EMA, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe I should skunk this one. Could be trapped here. This could be a bad trade. Ooh, I don't like that. What? Maybe I'll just take it at the... Alright. I know I usually do 4-point stop loss, but I did not like the look of that. And I'm just getting out. Just getting out. At the top of the signal bar. Did not like the look of this. We do make a new high though, now. It's all good, pandas. One more loss, I might just stop trading on the stream. It's all good. Not bad. Not a bad loss. It's a reasonable loss there. If I had my 4-point stop loss still, I'd be in this trade. Maybe I should look to go long now. But we did make a new high here. Something interesting just happened. Those who are in the trade here, this is where I entered my trade and it bounced off out of it, making me think people came out break even. Right there, break even, and then now it's reversing off that break even spot. And that's where I entered, and when I saw that, I had one chance to come out break even right here, but I mean, I might not even been filled because it hit it perfectly. But who knows? Trap trade off the 20 MA will be my next trade again. If we can get trap off this 20 MA. Okay, so you can keep coming out break even right now if you wanted to. Could have came up break even. It's all good. I didn't like how that looked like, so I just took the loss here. Oh, alright, let's take a look at the 5 minute. This is giving us new information here on the 5 minute. Beautiful hit off this trend line. Perfect hit. Approaching now the top of the channel. Big bear bars, big bull bars. Looks like trading range in my opinion. Or this could be a spike in channel. We could get a spike and then channel up on the 5 minute. If I kept my 4-point stop loss on that L4, actually still wouldn't be still be in the trade. This is a lower high setup potentially. Confusing. Two-legged pullback back to the 20 MA here, potentially. We have a Pikachu here. Potential Pikachu. By the way, that L4 would have made a point if I kept my 4-point stop loss. I think this is the moment we'll find out if this is a trading range day today or a bull trend day today. We have Pikachu setting up here. If this Pikachu fails, I'm taking the short. This Pikachu fails, even the outside bar, I'm taking the short. Taking the opposite of this Pikachu, this trap, Pikachu trap here. Thinking trading range today, I'm in this trade. It's reversing. Don't like to see that. Don't like to see that. Took that outside bar. Am I gonna get another hit here? Pandas. Hope not. If I get another hit here, I might just stop for the day. And this is the premise that I think we're in a trading range, not necessarily in a bull trend. And if this reverses and this fails, then we could, I think, possibly be in a bull trend day today. But because my premise is trading range day today from the price action that I'm seeing, I'm gonna be trying to, short the highs, fade the breakouts. But if it's not a trading range day today, this is most likely gonna fail. If this fails, most likely it's a trading day today. The failed Pikachu. Currently not really failing. That's why the outside bar reversals. That's why outside bar reversals are so risky. I saw that Pikachu and it started to fail. Took the outside bar reversal. Trying to add to my premise of trading range day today, but I could be wrong here. I could be absolutely wrong here. But it is what it is. Might double up here. Might double up here if this creates a trap for me. This traps here may double up here. Alright, I'm in double position here. We have a runner. We'll try to scalp out here, basically where I entered in. But I break even on the first one and scalp out on the second one. Hit break even perfectly. Hitting break even perfectly, as you can see. Bouncing off of it, making me think we're going long. But we'll see here. Still waiting. Currently in 6 contracts here. And this could be a big hit. This reverses. Might just take the loss here at the signal bar though, because if it reverses here at this point, it's a higher low setup off the 20 EMA. Thinking bull trend day today, I do not want to take that 4-point stop loss. I'm gonna take it here. This is to mitigate risk. If it reverses again here, then I'm just gonna call it. I was wrong. Bad trade. Oh, pandas. All right, if I lose here, I'm done. Pandas. Pandas. My pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Oh, pandas. I think we're on a bull trend day today now because both traps failed. The outside bar trap and this trap failed. Both these traps failed, making me think we're in a bull trend day today. Pandas, I'm sorry. I'm out now. No more. I might just end the stream here. I mean, that's rough. That's rough. It's one of those days. You can't win them all. Oh, gosh, pandas. I do not know. Maybe I'm on tilt. I don't know. Really dominant trading range day today, and you gotta trade it as you think it's gonna be. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So it's all good, pandas. We'll recover from here. I don't want to get tilted, and to prevent myself from getting tilted, I think I'm going to stop my trades today. And I'm just going to have to recoup and just take a break. Because, typically what we would want to do now is just trade to recover from our loss. And yeah, I don't want to be in that mode. And so I'm just gonna sit on my hands and just watch this market go. Even though I think now it's pretty obvious we're in a bull trend day today, right? With both of these traps failing and reversing like that, makes me think bull trend day today. So oh, pandas. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. I mean, it is the name of the game. I mean, I saw the setups. Maybe I got too aggressive. I saw the higher high, the new high being made here, lower low, and trap on the 20 EMA. That's like the reversal pattern, the dream reversal pattern. But even on this trap, failed to make a point as well. So that's incredible, in my opinion. But man, that's rough. That's rough. What can you do? I saw the setup, thought it was decent, and got burned 2 times. In fact, that first one, if I kept my 4-point stop loss, I would have made a point, but I wussied out and I stopped. I stopped out early with the top of the signal bar. And if this reverses and makes a point again, I think that just further concludes how important the 4-point stop loss is. It's just, yeah, I think it has to be part of the strategy. I keep changing it because I get scared, and so I lower it to the signal bar extreme plus 1 tick. But hey, maybe I just saved myself from a bigger loss. So you got to consider all that in your calculations. It's all good, pandas. It's unfortunate. I mean, it is simple to a pullback right off the 20 EMA. I could have just done that. Decent signal bar here. I mean, the thing is, it's funny because it popped up, then reversed. I mean, the outside bar, then reversed again. So it's just tricky. The market's confused, I think. It wants to go down, but also wants to go up. So I think it's just maybe building up pressure to go higher. I mean, in my opinion, it's going to go higher because the 20 EMA is acting as support. And so with that, it's most likely going to go up, in my opinion. Strong bull bar ending near its high. It's pretty certain we're gonna go up higher. maybe I stopped myself from a bigger loss, which is a good thing. But I had a double position, which is crazy. Ah, the double position. Ah. But look at how it's making higher highs or higher lows here now. Having difficulty to break previous candle's low, showing that they're limit order bulls here, right? They're coming down. They're not even letting it come back down, and they're just buying it up the moment it gets near here, thinking we're gonna just keep going up. It's gonna be one of those trend days today. In my opinion, I still think we're gonna trend day, bull trend day today, but we shall see. Main part, look at the 20 EMA, just acting as like this beautiful support right now. It's bouncing off of it, and it's gonna continue to act as support until it doesn't. So we're gonna assume it's gonna act as support. We're gonna assume that this doesn't keep going up higher and higher. Breaks below previous candle's low here. Let's see if the 20 EMA acts as support. 20 EMA acting as support still. Pandas. If this gives me the point on the if I kept my 4-point stop loss here and it gives me the point still, I'm gonna be kicking myself. I basically lost because I stopped out early. But again, hindsight's 2020. Let's see what happens here, because we had a strong bear bar like this. But look at the trading range indicator. It's perfect right now. Hitting it perfectly. Oh, pandas. What can you do? My break even's right here. That's where I want it to come out. So let's see if it comes back down here. Now 4-point stop loss will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it hit my stop loss perfectly. So maybe it was good I prevented myself from losing more. Tricky. This looks very choppy right now. I thought we were for sure gonna have just a strong uptrend now, possibly spike channel of some sort now. Just because these traps failed to make a point. Just not sure what's happening here. Well, we'll just allow the price action to develop further before we make any other assumptions here. Ouch, 900. I thought we were going to be able to get to 20K in 2 months, but I don't think it's going to happen, pandas. Have a slight setback right now. Potential L4 setup here. Another L4 setup. You don't like, I mean, if you're bearish, you don't like that, right? You don't like making these higher highs. 20 EMA acting as support again. Potential trap trade. Right, we had the lower high, couldn't come back down to the bottom trading range, showing us some pretty strong bullishness in my opinion here. It feels like there's buying pressure building up, in my opinion, looking at this. It looks like there's buying pressure. Like, it looks like it's gonna explode right now. After, if this triggers, it looks like it's gonna explode upwards. This is what it looks like. It looks like it just keeps hitting up. Right, 20 EMA is acting as support, and if it hits this, it's just gonna explode upwards. This looks like it's gonna just keep going. Looks like a bull trend day today. If this breaks above here, that's incredible. I thought it would explode once it broke above. I really thought it would explode. It still possibly can. Maybe just sucking in more bears. But this looks like it's going to explode upwards, in my opinion. I think we're in a bull trend day today now. That, to me, is like the sign, bull trend day today. Oh, pandas. Well, good thing I took my stop loss early. I took it down here than rather up here. It is what it is, pandas. But I think now we kind of got a bias now. Might be a trend day today. L4 setup here. But not interested in L4. Not after that. Not after seeing how all these traps failed. Not interested in L4. Good signal bar though on the L4. It's not looking to go short now. So I think our bias is upwards. Alright, pandas. Hey, pandas, sorry. You know what? Like I said, I'm not looking to go short here, so thoughts and prayers to those who went short on the L4 reversal. But pandas, I'm going to end it early today. I need to recoup here. I need to focus. And yeah, I mean, you know what? The thing is, like, 937, 3 points. It's not bad. It's about 2 or 3 days maybe I can recoup from that. But it is what it is, you know, tricky day, and getting burned a couple times going short. I do not want to go short anymore, and I feel like because of that, the trend could be going up, and you know, I could be wrong, of course, but just being burned 2 times like that, ouch, here and here, right? 20 EMA just acting as support here. Like I said, it's going to keep acting as support until it doesn't, and it has been, and so. Well, pandas, hey man, trade safe, right? I'll see you guys tomorrow, and as always, happy trading. God bless. Sorry that man, it sucks. It really does suck. I mean, you see the setup, and you gotta take it, and then you get burned twice. It's unfortunate, but what can you do? But pandas, hey, for you guys, hope you guys are doing better than me. Hope you guys are trading better than I am, and really, no matter what, regardless, do love this community, and you guys are awesome, so supportive. Even though I suck, even though when I have losing days today, you guys are so supportive of me, and for that, really can, I can truly say I have the best, community out there. So appreciate pandas. I'll see you guys next time. Actually, pandas, maybe maybe I'm a little bit on tilt these days. Maybe I felt overconfident on that one trade, and so I'm just like, I'm not seeing that the market clearly as I would like to. So maybe I take a couple days break here. We'll see. But pandas, just stay on the lookout, subscribe to make sure you guys know next time I stream. I think yeah, I might need to take some time to just reset like everything, like my mind. I think just like everything in general has just been very busy, and so losing focus here, and that was obviously a lapse of focus. I think I had a premise, but new high, trying to find that major trend reversal, thinking trading range day today, but man, like I was trading against this 5-minute bull bar. Don't know why I was doing that. Yeah, but like I said, thoughts and prayers to those who went short there, because when you get burned twice like that on shorts, you do not want to go short anymore. You're thinking to go long. You're thinking bull trend day today. But pandas, hey, it's been great. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you click like, subscribe, so next time you guys know, next time I stream. I may stream tomorrow. I might take the rest of the week off, next 2 days, but we'll see here. But I'll let you guys know. Pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless.